Hello everybody, today we are going to make a all natural soap. So I used to make all natural soaps all the time, but I don't, haven't done that for years, but today we are going to make an all natural soap. So all essential oils and natural colorants, and I will show you it that I've made already. This is it. So this is, it's called Sunwise, which is the motion of the sun. I don't mean to say sunrise, it's Sunwise. And in this we've got some turmeric powder and some kaolin clay and a blend of 3 essential oils and some mustard seeds on the top just for a little decoration. So the 3 essential oils I'm using are orange, bergamot and Litsea cubiba, or Maychan if you know it as that. So quite a basic, simple soap to make. Stays nice and fluid because of the essential oils, and the citrus oils are always nice to work with. Never really have any issues with those. Most essential oils are actually quite easy to work with, other than things like geranium, ylang ylang can sometimes cause your soap to seize, and clove is another one, but I don't use clove. I haven't used clove in soap for a long time. But yeah, these oils are really nice to work with. The ingredients are nice to work with, and it looks lovely. The end result's lovely. So I will get to making that, and then we'll cut it and see how it turns out. Okay, so in this one I'm going to be using some kaolin clay to help the essential oil blend to stick, because we're using lots of citrus, and I'm also using a natural colorant, turmeric powder today, which I've not used for ages, so those will go in together. And then on the top I'm just going to sprinkle on some of these little mustard seeds because they're quite a nice colour, and I thought the contrast might be quite nice. So we will start by mixing. I'll cut this bit out because you can't see inside that bucket, so I'll do that and then I'll be back to do the mixing of the colours and things. So I'm going to pour off a little bit of this so I can put my clay in and my turmeric and then add it back into the larger pot. It just makes it easier than trying to stick blend in all those powders into a whole pot. So I'm going to pop them in and then give it a quick stick blend. Colour. Okay. And then I'll bring you in so you can, I'll try and aim you so you can see inside this pot a bit. Okay, it's not the best, but you'll be able to see what I'm doing. Beautiful orange. I mean, it'll fade a little bit because the natural colours always do, but it won't fade completely. And whatever happens, it's all part of the process anyway. It's just kind of nice to use all natural ingredients sometimes and just see what they do by themselves. Okay. So now I'm going to just pour in my essential oil blend here. It's really good. Give it a good old stir, and then I'll stick blend it up some more before I pour this into the mould. There we go. Let's pour this then. Looks like pumpkin colour. Be a good one to use for autumn. If you're looking for that pumpkin orange, then get some turmeric powder. It's really nice, isn't it? Really nice. Been meaning to make this blend and this soap for ages. It's one on my list, and I always get caught up with other ones and think, oh, I'll do it another time, but today I didn't want to make all the other ones on the list, and I thought, I'll finally get round to making that turmeric and citrus soap. So that's what I did. Did anybody watch Tiger King? I watched it. Oh my lord. I watched it a few weeks ago, and I was just in here packing some orders, and I thought I'll put something on to keep me company. I've got my tablet with me again, and yeah, I thought, oh, let's see what Tiger King's all about. I have no idea. It's all over, like, you know, your Facebook feed. Everybody's like laughing at it, so I got stuck in. Oh my god. Just when you think the human race couldn't get worse. Hey, are you cool cats and kittens? There's a really funny comment on something I watched, and there's a bit in the programme where Carol Baskin, she is doing like a video, and it's so ASMR. Her voice just, I went off myself. I thought, my god, that's like so relaxing. And there was just some comments, and it must be something I watched on YouTube, and just said how disturbing it was because her voice was ASMR. And yeah. Carol Baskin. I'm loving all the memes at the moment coming out. They're just hilarious. But yeah, what an odd programme that was. It's just so messed up. And really sad, actually. In the end, I just thought those poor animals, for the sake of these lunatics, that's just, it was horrible. It was actually really horrible. So yeah, you're none the wiser when you watch programmes like that. It's like you're just lowering your frequency. You are. It's like you gain nothing from it other than just pure mystified by what on earth is wrong with people, you know. It's just a mystery how people get to that point. Like, what on earth? But I have to watch these things alone because there's no way Matt would entertain that kind of programme at home, so I have to watch trash when I'm on my own. But it did keep me going at work the one day. I just stood here with my mouth agape, like, what am I watching? Right, I'm going to tidy up and I'll come back and texture that top and get those little seeds on the top. Okay, should be ready to texture these tops now. I just did my product files. It's always a good time to do it when you're in between, well, you know, waiting for things to thicken up or whatever. Like, if you've got product files to do, then do them then. And then they're done. I was just stressed about that and think, I can't find the time. I can't ever find the time to do these things. And yet, you can. You can. Okay. One. It wasn't perfect, but it was all right. It's better when I go from the other side, from the left, rather than trying to bring it in from the right. So I'm going to do that again. This side. That's better. Oh, I didn't do that before. Let me see if I can just tidy that one up a bit better. That's it. Luckily, still pretty fluid because of it being an essential oil soap. They always stay fluid for longer. Well, not always, depends which ones you use, but generally they do. Okay, now I'm going to put some seeds, just save these gloves for tomorrow, some seeds down the centre. So there we go. This soap is called Sunwise. Okay, I'll be back for the cut on that one tomorrow. Ta-ta. Okay, we're ready to cut Sunwise. And maybe have a little chat while we're going for this. This looks so nice. Look at the text on there. It's lovely. Okay, so cut, cut, cut. Ooh. Go quite slow because it's rather hard. So look at that inside. It's got like, look at that. Looks like the sun. Oh, it smells so good. This is a really nice soap. I'm into this. This is really, really nice. I like citrus oils. I like that. What's that Lush bubble bar called? Bright Side. Really like that. This is similar to that kind of a scent. It's very vibrant and fresh and citrusy and kind of green as well. It's really good. Really good. Okay, sorry, but the sound cut out. I don't know what happened, whether my camera, like the wire fell out, the microphone fell out of the camera, I don't know, but I lost the sound. So, there's not really a lot I can tell you other than just I'm rambling on here about something and I can't remember what it was because I filmed this video a couple of weeks back. But yes, there is the cut soap, as you can see. I'm really going for it about something I don't know what I'm talking about. But anyway, I will leave some pictures at the end for you to see this. Let's just see what else. I'm going to do another... going to do another bar. I think I'll just let you see again and then we'll cut this off and show pictures at the end. Sorry, just having a coffee. Yeah, so you can see it's like nice and orange. It's actually gone quite a lot darker. It's more like the outside colour that you can see at the moment. So there's about another week or so, maybe a week and a half to go for the cure, and it will be ready to purchase. So yes, that is Sunwise. So I will be back for the next video. Sorry about this footage, but there you go, it happens. Ta-ta.